How you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, error lighting, type to Retry. So when you're using your YouTube. So first thing, just try to close your YouTube app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. So after, you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your YouTube app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write YouTube. And if you see here not open with update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your YouTube app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.